Hello everyone, welcome to our geography class. In this video, we will study Unit 1 of Geography of Rajasthan in a simple and exam-oriented way. In this video, we will cover the following topics. 1. Location of Rajasthan. 2. Physiographic regions. 3. Geological structure. 4. Climate and climatic regions. 5. Drainage system and lakes. 6. Soil types. 7. Soil erosion and conservation. 8. Natural vegetation. 9. Land utilization. Let's start with our first topic. Topic 1. Location of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India by area. It is located in the northwestern part of the country. The state lies between 23 degrees 3 feet north to 30 degrees 12 feet north latitude and 69 degrees 30 feet east to 78 degrees 17 feet east longitude. Its capital is Jaipur. Rajasthan shares its borders with Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Pakistan. Covering an area of about 342,239 square kilometers, Rajasthan is important for trade, tourism, and national security. It also has both the Thar Desert and fertile plains, making it geographically diverse. Topic 2. Physiographic regions. Rajasthan is divided into 5 major physiographic regions based on relief, landforms, and geological structure. These are the Aravalli Mountain region, Eastern Plain region, Marwar Plateau region, Shekhawati Upland region, and the Western Desert region. The Aravalli range divides Rajasthan into eastern and western parts. Each region has different soil, climate, vegetation, and landforms, which influence agriculture, settlements, and economic activities. Topic 3. Geological structure. Rajasthan has one of the oldest geological structures in the world. The Aravalli range is among the oldest fold mountain ranges. The state contains igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks. Rajasthan is also rich in minerals such as marble, granite, copper, zinc, lead, and gypsum. These mineral resources play an important role in the state's industrial development. Topic 4. Climate and climatic regions. Rajasthan has a hot and dry climate. The western part receives very little rainfall, while the eastern and southern regions receive more rainfall. Most of the rainfall comes from the southwest monsoon. Summers are extremely hot, with temperatures often above 45 degrees Celsius, whereas winters are cool and pleasant. The climate has a significant impact on agriculture, vegetation, and human life. Topic 5. Drainage system and lakes. Rajasthan has both internal and external drainage systems. The major rivers of the state are Chambal, Banas, Mahi, and Luni. Among these, Chambal is the most important perennial river, while Luni is the main river of western Rajasthan and flows through the desert region. Some important lakes of Rajasthan are Sambhar Lake, Pichola Lake, Fateh Sagar Lake, Jasamo Lake, and Anna Sagar Lake. Among them, Sambhar Lake is the largest inland saltwater lake in India. Rivers and lakes play an important role in irrigation, drinking water, agriculture, and tourism. Topic 6. Soil types. Rajasthan has different types of soil depending on its climate and geographical conditions. The major soil types are sandy soil, alluvial soil, black soil, and red soil. Sandy soil is mainly found in western Rajasthan and is less fertile. Alluvial soil is found in eastern Rajasthan and is highly fertile, making it suitable for agriculture. Black soil is found in the southern parts of the state and is ideal for cotton cultivation. Different soil types support different crops and agricultural activities across Rajasthan. Topic 7. Soil erosion and conservation. Soil erosion means the removal of the fertile top layer of the soil. The main causes of soil erosion are water, wind, deforestation, and overgrazing. To protect the soil, several conservation methods are used, such as afforestation, terrace farming, check dams, shelter belts, and controlled grazing. Soil conservation helps improve agricultural productivity, prevents land degradation, and protects the environment for future generations. Topic 8. Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation depends mainly on climate and rainfall. The major vegetation types found in Rajasthan are tropical thorn forests, dry deciduous forests, and grasslands. Thorn forests are common in western Rajasthan because of low rainfall, while southern Rajasthan has more forest cover due to better rainfall. Common trees found in the state include khejri, babul, neem, and doak. Forests help maintain ecological balance, prevent soil erosion, and provide shelter to wildlife. Topic 9: Land utilization. Our final topic is land utilization. Land utilization means the different ways land is used. In Rajasthan, land is mainly used for agriculture, forests, grazing, settlements, and industries. Agriculture occupies the largest share of land use in the state. Desert areas have limited agricultural land due to low rainfall and sandy soil. However, irrigation projects have increased agricultural productivity in many regions. Proper land utilization is essential for balanced development and the sustainable use of natural resources. This completes Unit 1 Geography of Rajasthan. We covered all the important topics. Please note down these important points in your notebook and revise them regularly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more complete unit videos, detailed notes, and exam-oriented content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with Unit 2 Part 2. Happy learning!